Okay, the wind is blowing and it made our concrete crack. We got hairline cracks all over the place. Usually this is the end of the road, but we're using the magic crack. I've used this on dry concrete and it works great. Never used it on fresh concrete before. Put in the water first because the wind is blowing and it blows in the wind as soon as I apply it. Really shoving it down into that crack. And you can try to do this with just water and the concrete, but it's not gonna, the crack just opens back up. This magic crack seems to be working and disappearing. All right.